arithmetic progression, first chapter. Now today we are discussing about nth term. Now nth term of an AP is the first term of an arithmetic progression is A, common difference is D, then the nth term is an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now nth term from the last n, L is the last term and D is the common difference. Therefore, L minus n minus 1 into D. Now, example 3. Example 3. Find the nth term of the arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12, so on. Here, A value is 2 and D is equal to A2 minus A1. That means A2 is 7, A1 is 2. That means 7 minus 2 will be 5. Now, D value 5. Now, here they are asking 10th term. That means n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Now, An formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, A10 is equal to A value 2 plus n value 10 minus 1 into D value 5. Now, A10 is equal to 2 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5. A10 is equal to 2 plus 9 5 is 45. Now, A10 is equal to 2 plus 45 is 47. Now, 10th term is 47. Now, example 4. Which term of arithmetic progression is 18, 21, 15 is minus 81? Also, is any term given, any term 0? Give reason for your answer. Now, here what they given arithmetic progression 21, 18, 15, so on. That means A value is 21, D is equal to A2 minus A1. That means 18 minus 21 will be minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. Here they are asking which term of the AP is minus 81. That means they given An value minus 81. Now we should find out n value. Here they given An value minus 81. Which term of the AP is minus 81? That means An value they given. Now we should find out n value. Okay. Now, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, here An they given minus 81 is equal to A value 21 plus n minus 1 into D value minus 3. Here we should find out n value. Minus 81 is equal to 21. Here plus into minus, minus 3 into n, 3n, minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. Now, minus 81 is equal to 21 plus 3 is 24 minus 3n. This minus 3n goes to this side means it will become plus, and this minus 81 comes this side means it will become plus 81. That means 3n is equal to 24 plus 81. 3n is equal to 24 plus 81 is 105. Now, n is equal to 105 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 35 are. Now, n is equal to 35. That means 35 term of the AP is 81. Okay. Now, they are asking which term is 0 and give reason. See here. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term formula. Here, which term is 0? That means An is 0. is equal to a value 21 plus n minus 1 into d value minus 3. Here a 0 is equal to 21 plus into minus minus 3n minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. Again here this minus 3n comes this side means plus 3n. 3n is equal to 21 plus 3 24. N is equal to 24 by 3. 3 ones are 3 8s are n is equal to 8. Nth term is 0. In the sequence nth term is 0. In that arithmetic progression 8th term is 0. Example 5. Determine the arithmetic progression whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. That means here third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. First write down nth term formula. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to an. See a plus here third term means n is equal to 3 and third term is 5. That means an is equal to 5. A plus n is equal to here 3. 3 minus 1 into d is equal to 5. In this question, we should find out a value and d value. After that finding a value and d value, we should write down the arithmetic progression. Okay. Now first we should find out a and d value. Now a plus 3 minus 1 2. 2d is equal to 5. Put it as equation 1. Now seventh term that means an is equal to 7 is 9. That means seventh term n is equal to 7 is 9. That means an is equal to 9. Now here a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to an. That means a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to an value 9. Okay. Now a plus 7 minus 1 6. 6d is equal to 9. This is equation 2. Now subtracting these two equations. Now a plus 2d is equal to 5. First equation. Now second equation minus of a plus 6d is equal to minus 9. Now here minus into plus minus a. Here minus into plus minus 6d is equal to minus 9. Now a plus 2d is equal to 5 first equation and this is second equation. Minus a minus 6d is equal to minus 9. Here plus a minus a get cancelled. Now here minus 6d plus 2d is equal to minus 4d. That is equal to here minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. Here minus cancel. 4d is equal to 4. Now d is equal to 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Now d is equal to 1. Here d is equal to 1. Now d value 1. Now we should find out a value. This d value substitute in equation 1. Then we will get a value. What is the equation 1 here? A plus 2d is equal to 5. A plus 2 into d value 1 is equal to 5. A plus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. This plus 2 comes this side means minus 2. A is equal to 5 minus 2. A is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. Now a value 3, d value 1. Now we should find out the arithmetic progression. The general form of an arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on. Here a value is 3, comma, here second term a plus d, that means 3 plus d value 1. Third term a plus 2d, that means a value 3 plus 2 into d value 1. Fourth term a plus 3d, a value 3 plus 3 into d value 1. So on. Here 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 2 ones are 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Here 3 plus 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So on. Therefore, the arithmetic progression is 3, 4, 5, 6. So on. Now, example 6. Check whether 301 is a term of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. See what they are asking, whether this 301 is there in this numbers or not. Okay, now 3 a value here 5, d is equal to a2 minus a1. Here a2 is 11, a1 is 5. d is equal to 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now d value is equal to 6. Now an is equal to 301. An is equal to 301. Whether this 301 is there or not in this arithmetic progression, we should check now. Okay. Now what is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to an. Here a value and this d value, this an value substitute in this equation. Now a is 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 6 is equal to an is 301. Now 5 plus 6 into n, 6n, minus 6 ones are 6 is 301. Now 5, 6n, here 5 minus 6 is minus 1, 6n minus 1 is equal to 301. Now 6n, this minus 1 goes to the side, means plus 1. 6n is equal to 301 plus 1 is 302. Now n is equal to 302 by 6. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 151s are 302. Now 151 by 3. Here n is not an integer. Therefore, 301 is not a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 13. That means this 301 is not there in this arithmetic progression.